A lot of people here in Seattle go into a show wanting to experience something new. And my music is something new and something they've never heard of, and from a face they've never heard. I'm Alda Augustiniano. I go by Chong the Nomad. I am a queer Asian American from a family of immigrants, and I just want to make people dance. When I'm on stage and when I make music, it's just unison. The person next to you would become your best friend for the night, and you probably won't ever see them ever again, but for that night, and for that night only, the music that you're both listening to connects you at a different level. Seattle is filled with people who are eager to see something that they've never seen before. I want to make people feel liberated, and Seattle is the perfect place to do that. The music campus at the school I graduated from is on Capitol Hill, and I moved up here to get closer to the community, get closer to school, and become my own individual artist. To be able to be so close to everyone and everything, the heart of where everything's at, has been such a blessing to me.
So we are on Broadway, and I used to walk down back and forth during school.
All of my first shows were on Capitol Hill. I can walk to most of the venues around here. At the same time, all those venues showcase so many different artists. It's just one hub of music and so many different types of music. Because I'm in the middle of it all, my ability to reach to as many people as fast as I did, that wouldn't have happened anywhere else.
A lot of people go swing dancing right up there. You could hear the music at night. It's very ideal.
I can walk anywhere here on Cap Hill. There's a coffee shop on pretty much every corner. There's a different restaurant from every culture. I can communicate with all these other artists of so many different backgrounds, all in one place, and I could just be myself. That's what makes it so special. I call my style of music bedroom groove, and that's because I make most of my music in my bedroom. I can't really place a genre. It's just everything I like. Funk, house, hip-hop, bass music. As long as I'm grooving to it, no matter the genre, it's my music. I play 5 instruments. The piano, I play the trombone, ukulele, guitar, and harmonica. I like to use those skills for arrangements, and I tend to sequence things a lot. My music and my personality are very, very similar, and my quirkiness, my zaniness, that tends to just come out full force when I create music. I used to limit myself a lot. The second I let those walls down is when I was truly making the music I want to make, bedroom groove. Well, what inspires me a lot, and what a lot of people find surprising, is that I listen to so much pop music. I want to try to figure out what makes everyone connect with a certain song, and I think what does it better than pop music. Because what I want to do is make as many people dance as possible. I represent all the women of color that want to be an artist, especially Southeast Asian women. I grew up from a family of immigrants who wanted a career for me that was very traditional: lawyer, doctor, anything else than artists. I want these first-generation kids to know that that's 100% possible for you, especially in Seattle. You can be whoever you want to be, and where you come from, it doesn't matter. It's the community and the diversity in the community that allows me to grow. I'm performing at Numos tonight, and Numos was actually the first festival gig I ever got. I had the chance to DJ there. It was, at the time, the biggest stage I ever performed at. I would say it was one of the best nights of my life. So stoked to just make the floor shake. When I'm on stage, when I'm Chong the Nomad, you put a magnifying glass on all of my personality traits. I am a little eccentric. I'm a little bit of an oddball, and I love dancing more than anything. When I perform, I completely black out for an hour and then I come back into reality and I'm like, okay, that just happened. When people come to one of my shows, I want them to dance the entire night. I want them to leave dancing, and I want them to forget all of their problems, even if it's just for the night. Visiting Seattle, you prepare to be surprised what you're going to experience the next minute. You're going to see people playing in the streets, dancing in the streets, and a lot of proud people. I'm just happy to be a woman making and performing my own music without any walls. Being able to express myself 100% without any limitations. That's what makes this place my home.